Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. So I'd like us today to start off with the Bitcoin. We have a very good support zone. We have a support here. We have another support here. Then we have a resistance. We have a resistance and we have a resistance here. So as it is right now, we're looking for a buy from around this area. This is the place I want us to look for a buy from. The price can pull down and touch these two lines. Within these two lines, this is going to be a very good place we want to look for a buy from. We expect the buyers to push us back to the upper side. If this zone is broken, the next zone is this one. But if this is broken, then we expect the price to continue downwards, at least up to this point here. So ideally, we are into a sell, but only when the price heads below 24110.40. When the price when the price descends and closes below this point, this level, we do expect that the sellers will continue to push price to the lower side, at least up to the level which I've drawn, this one here. My next chart is Euro USD. With Euro USD so far, these are the levels we're looking at. We have the first one. We have the first one here. We have a very good resistance. We have a resistance here. We have another one here. We have a resistance, we have a resistance, have a resistance. We have a support here. And we have another one here. Another one here. So these are the places where we expect the price to go up to. If the price pulls back up and touches these two lines, this is going to be a good place to look for a sell from. If the price touches these two lines, this is going to be a good place to look for a buy from. If this is broken, the next target is this one. And so the levels you see on this chart, the red line, this one's, give me just a minute, let me make it so that you're able to see. These levels here, these green levels, this red one, these are actually break-off structures, and they indicate the price is likely going to continue in that direction. Like on this chart, we had a bearish break-off structure here, which is a good sell. We had another one here, a good sell. We had another one here, a good sell. If you did not sell it when all this was happening, you still could have sold it with the price pulled back up to any of these zones. So you may want to wait for price to pull back up to this point to pick a sell, or this level to pick a sell, or this zone to pick a sell, or when the price descends below this zone, then that will be another good place to look for a sell from. We expect that the sellers will continue to push price downwards up to the next level, which is this zone here. So that's my opinion. The next chart is GBP USD. With GBP USD so far, we are also looking at some zones. We have a very good zone here. We have another zone. We have another one. We have another one. We have a very good support. We have a support and we have a support here. Those are the levels where if the price can go up to, we are going to be interested in position. So if the price pulls up to this point, that is a buy. If the price goes up, up to this zone, this is a good place to sell from. This is another good place to look for a sell from, and this here is another good place to look for a sell from. Now the other chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. With the US dollar Japanese yen, this is upwards. We are looking at a very good uptrend. So if you just look carefully, you can see we had a very good support here. We had another one, we had another one, we had another one, and just recently we are having a very good resistance zone. Then we had a bullish break-off structure here, another bullish break-off structure, and we expect that if the price should ascend and close above 146.623, then we're going to wait for a retracement back towards the same level to push price to the upside. So we just want to wait and see what happens when the price goes up and breaks above this line. I want us to wait for a pullback plus the same level to pick a buy position, expecting that the buyers will push us even higher. So this right here will be a good place to look for a buy from, but only if the price should break above this zone and also this level here. If that happens, then we will expect the price to continue to the upper side. That's my opinion. The other chart which I want us to have a look at is the SP 500. With the SP 500 so far, if you look at it from the point of break of structures, we have a bullish break of structure here. It's not a very good one because the price did not continue upwards, but it does not mean that the price will not use it in the future. So as long as the price has not used it and it's there, it's still valid. We may see the price break and close above it, at least up to this zone. This is a very good resistance zone. If this is broken, the next resistance is this one. So as I was saying, we are looking at this zone. These zones, we have a very good support zone here. We have a support zone here. We have another one here. So we are having very good zones here and this one. We have very good support zones here, here, or here. Those are some of the few places where if the price can go up to, we are going to be interested in positions. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you and see you.